Imagine boarding a flight that never reaches its destination. Today you'll discover the terrifying stories behind Japan Airlines Flight 123, Tenerife Airport, and another disaster that changed aviation forever. But the deadliest crash of all happened under circumstances so unbelievable that millions still remember it decades later. Stay until the end, because number 1 is truly unforgettable. At number 5 is Air India Flight 182. In 1985, the Boeing 747 exploded over the Atlantic Ocean after a bomb hidden in the luggage detonated mid-flight. All 329 people on board lost their lives. The tragedy shocked the world and exposed serious weaknesses in airport security. It's hard to believe that something so small could cause such a massive disaster. And if you think that's heartbreaking, the next story became the deadliest single aircraft accident in history. Number 4 is Japan Airlines Flight 123. In 1985, a faulty repair from years earlier caused the aircraft's rear pressure bulkhead to fail. The pilots fought heroically to control the plane for over 30 minutes without a functioning tail. Imagine trying to steer a car with no steering wheel. Sadly, the aircraft crashed into a mountain, killing 520 people. Their incredible struggle remains one of aviation's most emotional stories. But the next disaster happened because of a mistake almost nobody expected. Number 3 is American Airlines Flight 191. Shortly after takeoff from Chicago in 1979, one of the engines detached from the wing, damaging critical systems. Within seconds, the aircraft rolled uncontrollably and crashed, killing all 273 people on board and on the ground. The accident led to major inspections and stricter maintenance standards. But what if two fully loaded jumbo jets collided before even leaving the runway? Number 2 is the Tenerife airport disaster. In 1977, thick fog, radio misunderstandings, and human error caused two Boeing 747s to collide on the runway. The explosion claimed 583 lives, making it the deadliest accident in aviation history involving two aircraft. One misunderstanding changed hundreds of families forever. Yet even this wasn't the deadliest overall aviation disaster. At number 1 is the Charkhi Dadri Mid-Air Collision. In 1996, near New Delhi, two passenger jets collided in the sky because of communication failures and altitude errors. All 349 people aboard both aircraft were killed instantly. The tragedy transformed international aviation procedures, improving collision avoidance systems and communication standards worldwide. These heartbreaking events remind us that every aviation rule is written with lives in mind. If you were amazed by these true stories, don't stop here. Watch our next video, Top 10 Unbelievable Moments Caught on Camera, 2025 edition, where you'll witness incredible real-life events that seem almost impossible to believe.